Are you a small business owner struggling to generate leads and attract new customers? Introducing ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool that can help you create compelling lead magnets to grow your customer base and boost your revenue. With ChatGPT, you can generate lead magnets in minutes, without the need for expensive agencies or time-consuming research. Simply provide ChatGPT with some basic information about your business, such as your industry, target audience, and marketing goals. ChatGPT will then generate ideas, summaries, or outlines based on your input, providing you with a wealth of content options to choose from. Once you've selected a lead magnet, you can customize it to your brand and messaging, and start using it to capture leads and build relationships with your potential customers. So why waste time and resources on lead generation when you can rely on ChatGPT to do the heavy lifting for you? Visit the ThinkBox website today for your guide on using ChatGPT to leverage success for your business.